Most people believe that investing is only for the wealthy. They think you need thousands of dollars just to get started, and they assume that big investment gains only happen to big investors with big money. But GoGoIPO was created to change that. The whole idea behind GoGoIPO is simple: give everyday people the chance to invest early in startups at the same stage where major investors usually profit the most. And in many cases, that early entry can happen with as little as $100 or more. Let's take a simple example. Imagine someone invests just $100 in the first funding round of GoGoIPO. $100 doesn't buy much in life today. It might be the cost of a dinner, a pair of shoes, or a monthly phone bill. But when used at the right stage of a company's growth, $100 can buy something far more valuable: early ownership. When someone invests $100 in an early round, they are not paying for results. They are buying a small percentage of a business before that business becomes valuable. That small ownership stake may not look like much in the beginning, but it has potential to grow if the business grows. The key idea is not the amount of money invested. It's the timing of the investment. Early ownership creates the potential for future value if the company scales. Now here's where GoGoIPO is different. Traditional investing usually means picking one company and hoping it becomes huge. That's risky, because most startups don't succeed. But GoGoIPO isn't about one company. It's about building and funding many companies. The goal is to create and launch multiple subsidiaries and give early investors the chance to participate at the very beginning of each new opportunity. Instead of betting on one business, GoGoIPO allows people to spread small early investments across many companies. This increases the chances of benefiting from one or more successful outcomes without having to invest large amounts of money. If GoGoIPO successfully builds multiple startup companies and those companies raise capital at higher valuations over time, the early positions can potentially grow in value. The more companies GoGoIPO helps launch and develop, the more chances early investors have to participate in a growing portfolio. So when someone invests $100 in the first funding round, they're not just betting on one event or one moment. They are buying an early seed in a system designed to launch multiple businesses over time. Importantly, early investing is not about guarantees. It's about access. A small investment at the right time can become valuable, but only if the company grows. That growth depends on real business execution, funding, customers, and market demand. It doesn't happen automatically, and it doesn't happen simply because someone invested. The value comes from what the company achieves in the future, not from the act of investing itself. GoGoIPO is designed to help people participate in that early stage where the potential is highest and the cost of entry is lowest. Whether someone chooses to invest $100 or nothing at all, the most important thing is that they have the option. Our mission is to open the doors that were once only available to venture capitalists, angel investors, and wealthy insiders. We believe that opportunity shouldn't be reserved for a select few. It should be available to regular people who want to build wealth gradually, with small early investments in companies that may become something much bigger later on. So if someone invests $100 early into GoGoIPO, what they're really buying is possibility. They're buying early access to a company that aims to build more companies, and they're buying a chance to participate in growth. That early position may grow in value if the business succeeds, and as GoGoIPO launches more startups, the potential for future value expands with it. The future outcome is never guaranteed, but the opportunity is real. That's what early investing is about: possibility, participation, and ownership from the very beginning. Investing involves risk. Results are not guaranteed. Early investments can lose value. Any potential returns depend on the future performance of GoGoIPO and the companies it builds. Investors should never invest more than they can afford to lose, and past success does not guarantee future results. GoGoIPO provides opportunities for early participation, but all investments carry uncertainty. Always research and make informed decisions before investing.